Wow.
Ay, ang daya sila magkasama sa
Magkatabi kami.
Oo nga, magkasama
No,
sa
we're partners, guys. Shut up.
Okay,
Shut up.
Esnir. Ano ang nighttime routine ni Brent?
First, magsa-skincare yan siya after the shower call.
Okay.
Pero, after the shower call talaga, yung pinakauna is magwa-walk-walk yan siya dito to burn calories. And after that, pupunta siya ng sink. After pag maghanda na matulog, mag-skincare yan siya. Tapos yung toner niya is toner pads.
Wow!
Right. And after, mag-toothbrush siya, of course. Tapos, pag mamatulog siya, siya yung pinakauna na magtatanggal ng lapel. Tapos after, mag-read siya ng book. Tapos, magkatunganga pa yan siya. Tapos matutulog na siya. Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you, Esnir. Brent?
Tama.
Wow.
I know, right?
Esnir, you really know Brent. That's really good. That's really good. That's really good. That's really good. Brent, ano ang nighttime routine ni Esnir?
Skincare. Tapos, after skincare, Sleeping Brothers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, say goodnight to everyone, then remove lapel.
Okay.
And then, open the book for 5 seconds. Close the book after 5 seconds.
Okay.
And then pray.
Pray.
Sitting down.
Okay.
Yes!
Then sleep.
Okay. Esnir, tama ba ang sagot ni Brent?
Yes.
Wow!
wala ko
Ang
narinig na
galing
toothbrush.
yung partners kasi 20 points na kayo! Palakpakan tayo!
Oh my God!
Grabe!